Okay, now see 12.8. This is the initial point. Okay, this is the initial point, and this is 12, 12.5, and before 13 it is 12.8. This is the last point, 12.8. Okay, so with the help of pencil, join this. This is 12.8. Okay, this is line 12.8 centimeter. Now by using compass, divide it into 4 equal parts. Okay, so by using compass, we have to divide it into how much parts? Now see, with the help of pencil, fix the pencil in the compass. Okay, now see, as usual, take more than half distance, take more than half distance. Okay, and then make here arc, here half and here half, or we can say half semicircle. Draw half semicircle, and having the same distance, from this point, make half semicircle here. Okay, now here you will get 2 points. Okay, which 2 points? See, this is the point and this is the point. Okay, with the help of scale, just join these 2 points. Okay, now see, here you will get exactly half 2 parts. Here you are getting half 2 parts. Now see, here we have to divide this part again into 2 equal parts. Okay, now see here, now take more than half distance of this. See, more than half distance of this part. Okay, and from this make half semicircle, and here also having the same distance from this point, make half semicircle. Okay, and here also having the same distance, from this point, make half semicircle, and from this point also make half semicircle. Clear? Now here you will get, see, this point, and this point. Join these points. Okay, join these points and join these points. Okay, now you will get 4 parts. See, suppose this is the intersection point. We will say, suppose this is what we can say, line segment AB. This is line segment AB. This is point of intersection. Suppose it is P, it is Q, and this is R. So you will get 4 parts. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4 parts. Now what they said, verify the actual measurement. Okay, now here we will measure this distance. See here, it is 3.2, 3.2, 3.2, here also 3.2, and here it is 3.4 or something, it is becoming 4.2. It is right, 3.2. Okay, okay, now see, 3.2 we are getting distance AP is equal to 3.2, PQ it is also 3.2, QR it is also 3.2, and RB also 3.2. When we are adding all these 2 plus 2 plus 2 it is 8, 3 4s are 12. So we will get exactly equal distance, means we get the exactly parts 3.2, 3.2, 3.2 and 3.2 when we add all this. So this whole length AB we will get AB is equal to 12.8 centimeter. Clear? In this way we can do the four equal parts. Understood?